Welcome back. So if you're coming from part 1, you've already seen how Claude and Gamma AI can transform your strategic thinking and presentation creation. And if you have not watched part 1 yet, I have linked it in the description. Definitely check it out first before proceeding with the video. Okay, so now we are getting into the really exciting stuff. The 3 AI tools I'm going to show you are going to completely change how you think about AI in your daily work. We're talking about an AI that can attend your meetings for you, a free tool that lets you literally video call with AI, and an AI system that's built right into where you actually work. Before we dive in, let me quickly introduce myself. I'm Aryansh from Agile Automate, and we help businesses optimize and automate their workflows and be more productive using automation, systems, and habits. This helps business owners save tons of time and money. So without waiting, let's go. Tool number 3 is Fathom AI, and this one literally gave me my life back. If you're in meetings all day like most professionals, this tool will be a revelation for you. Fathom AI is a meeting note taker that don't just transcribe your meetings, creates summaries, identifies action items, and even generates follow-up emails. You can focus on the meetings and stop thinking if you are missing any point. The best part is, even if you are not joining the meetings, it can join the meetings for you. You will anyways get the email with all the details. So let's see how that looks like. Let's go to the screen.
Okay, so let's try to understand what Fathom AI can do. So this is one of the meetings I attended for one of the clients, right? So if you see here, so Fathom AI was in the meeting, as you can see, right? And after that meeting is done, so it has already recorded all the meeting and it has generated a transcript, then summary, and the action item. So if you see here, so this is so transcript is here, obviously. Then it's the summary. It has given the meeting purpose, the key takeaways from the meeting, topics that we discussed, and and the next step, that is the action items that we discussed during the meeting. So it's like within one page you will be able to understand what and all that like happened in the meeting. So it's really useful. Then you can ask Fathom, ask about any question that like whatever happened in the meeting. Did we discuss this? Did we discuss that? And if you want to go into a particular part, so let's say for example, uh, um, uh, let's say very quick turnaround for 15 days. So I just want to check what is the meaning of this, and and what did the client say about this. You might have understood, right? So we can click on any of the topics or any of the parts, and we will go directly into that part that happened during the meeting. Okay, so it's really good because you don't have to go to the meeting again or the recording again. You just if you have any questions, if you want to go deep into a particular part, you can go to that particular part. Okay, so yeah, it's really good. And one important thing is that you also get the mail. So for example, whatever you are seeing there, right, so the same thing you will get as an email here. Okay, so even you don't have to go into the Fathom AI application or website. You all the participants, if you have put in that setting, then you will receive the email with the whole summary of the meeting and the key action items. So it's really useful because it will remove all the back and forth that happens during the meetings, right, or after the meetings. So it's really good. Now, one more important thing is, obviously you can ask the question that about anything that happened during the meeting. And plus there's one more thing. So whatever questions you asked during the meeting, you can simply see it here and you can simply click it here and you will go directly to that part. Okay, so let's say, so this particular part. Okay, so and then obviously whatever the client has answered, right? So yeah, so it's really good. And it saves a lot of time because you are focused on the meeting, not on whatever the client is answering, whether you should put it somewhere. You don't have to worry about that. Everything is done automatically. So yeah, it's really useful. Thank you.
The fourth tool I want to show you is Google AI Studio. And honestly, this might be the most underrated AI tool on the internet right now. I literally think it should be illegal to use this freely. Here is why it gets really interesting. Google AI Studio is not just another chatbot. I can literally video call with AI, share my screen, my camera, or both, and have a real-time conversation about what it sees. I can ask literally anything. It will guide me through the whole process. Whether you want to learn anything, you're stuck somewhere and don't know what to do, or let's say you want to write the code, debug the code, want to learn a new tool. I mean to say, whatever comes to your mind, it can do it. Let's say, show a document or spreadsheet and ask for analysis, it will do it. Point camera at a plant, you want to get a gardening advice, it will do it. Share screen with a design and get feedback, it will do it. Show a problem and get step-by-step guidance, it will do it. This is like insane. If it doesn't blow your mind, I don't know what will. And why this is amazing is it's like having an intelligent assistant who can see your world and help you in real time. I'm literally having a video call with AI that understands everything it sees. No other free tool does this. So let me show you this incredible, powerful tool. Let's go to the screen.
This is Google AI Studio, and so it's like a live tutor. So you can get the suggestions live on this, and it uses the latest Google models, AI models. So it's like really good. So there are a lot of features in this, but the one most important feature is stream. And that is what we're going to show on this particular video. So let's just go and just try to see what all it can do. Okay, so let's say that, so we have started stream. What I will do is I will share my screen, and we have some data related to employees, and we just want to analyze it. Okay, so that's what we are going to do. Okay, so yeah, can you see my screen?
Okay, I can see your screen. It looks like you have a spreadsheet open with employee survey data. It includes columns for employee ID, depart survey date, job satisfaction score, work-life balance score, and comment. What would you like to do with this data?
Okay, I want to analyze this data. I want to see the average of each department, sales, marketing, engineering, and other departments as well. So I want to see the average of job satisfaction score and work-life balance score for each department. So what should I do?
You can calculate these averages using a pivot table. First, click anywhere within your dataset. Then go to the Insert menu and select Pivot Table. In the dialog box that appears, choose to create the pivot table in a new worksheet and click OK.
Okay, this is the pivot table, new sheet.
Great! Now you should see a pivot table editor on the right. Drag the department field to the rows section. Then drag the job satisfaction score and work-life balance score fields to the value section. By default, it might show the sum. Click on the field names in the value section and change the summarization from sum to average for both scores.
Okay, I think I've got the sum. Can you repeat again how to get the average?
Sure. In the pivot table editor on the right, under the value section, you should see the job satisfaction score and work-life balance score fields listed. Click on the drop-down menu next to sum of job satisfaction score and select average. Do the same for the work-life balance score field. This will update the pivot table to show the average scores for each department.
Okay, I've got it. I think you can also see on the screen, I've got the average. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to highlight what is below average and what is above average. So for job satisfaction score, if I want to put in red for departments which are under 5 in average, and the departments which are above 7, I want to put it in green. So how should I do that?
You can use conditional formatting for that. First, select the cells in the job satisfaction score column that you want to format. Then go to the Format menu and select Conditional Formatting. In the Conditional Format Rules pane that appears, set the condition. Choose less than for the rule type and enter 5 for the value. Then set the formatting style to have a red fill color. Click Add Another Rule to create a second condition. This time, choose greater than for the rule type and enter 7 for the value. Set the formatting style to have a green fill color. This will highlight the average satisfaction scores below 5 in red and above 7 in green.
Okay, and if I want to, so I think I've put it in red. I want to add one more rule. I think, okay. So if I want to, so we can add as many rules as we want, right?
Yes, you can add as many conditional formatting rules as you need. Just click on Add Another Rule to define different conditions and formatting styles for different ranges of values in your data. Great, now you can set the conditions for this new rule, like specifying a different value and choosing a different formatting style, such as a different color.
Okay, I think this is the one. Oh, perfect. I think I got it. I think the same thing I would like to do for work-life balance score. So let me do it for greater than 6.
Okay, you're applying a similar rule to the work-life balance scores. Now, select the range for the work-life balance scores and then set the condition, like greater than 6, and choose the formatting style.
So I'm trying to do, I think, selected. Okay.
You need to make sure the correct cell range is selected in the Apply to Range field for the new rule to be applied correctly. You can either type the range directly or select the cells in the spreadsheet.
Okay, so I think I will add one more rule, less than or equal to 5.
That's right. You've now set 2 different conditional formatting rules, one for values greater than 7 in one column, and another for values less than or equal to 6 in another column. You can continue adding more rules as needed.
Okay, but I think this one is removed now. I don't know how. Let me select this again then.
It seems the previous rule might have been overwritten. To ensure both rules are applied, make sure you select the correct ranges and conditions for each rule. Each rule should have a unique range or distinct conditions.
Okay.
It looks like you're setting the rules for the correct ranges now. Once you've defined the conditions and formatting styles for both ranges, they should apply simultaneously.
Yeah, got it. So greater than 7, yeah.
And now you can set the formatting style for this new rule. Choose a color or other formatting options to highlight values greater than 7.
Okay, now I want to make it a little better. This doesn't look good. Can you suggest how to make this table look better?
Sure. You could try adjusting the alignment and formatting of the text. For example, center aligning the headers and maybe using a different font style or color for the titles can make it look neater and more professional. Center aligning the headers looks good. You could also try bolding the headers to make them stand out more. Additionally, adjusting the background color of the header row can also improve readability.
Okay, I think this looks better now. I would
Yes.
just increase the font size or just one. No, I think this is good. Okay, so yeah, I think this is good. I've got the job satisfaction average, job satisfaction score, plus the ones for the below average and above average. So okay, so one more thing, I want to show it on the chart. Let's say how to do it. I want to show it visually, like about these average scores on a particular chart and compare it. So how to do it?
To visualize the average scores on a chart, you can insert a chart directly into your sheet. Simply select the data range that includes the department names and the average scores, then go to the Insert menu and choose Chart. From there, you can select a chart type that best represents your data, like a column chart or bar chart.
Okay, so I think this doesn't look good. How to select something else?
You can try a different chart type from the chart editor. A column chart or bar chart might provide a clearer view of the average scores for each department. Simply click on the chart type option in the chart editor and choose a different visualization.
Okay, I think this one would look good. Oh, nice. This one looks better. So I want to edit this. These colors don't look good. From where I can change it?
You can change the colors in the Customize tab of the chart editor.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you clearly. Now that you've changed to a column chart, you should be able to compare the average job satisfaction scores and work-life balance scores across departments more easily. Is there anything else you would like to adjust or customize in the chart?
I want to change the colors actually. The colors don't look good. Can you tell me how to do that?
Yes, in the chart editor, go to the Customize tab, then click on Series. You can then select the data series for average of job satisfaction score and average of work-life balance score and choose different colors from the fill color option.
Okay, it's fill color, right?
That's right.
Oh, nice. Thank you. Thank you so much. This looks good now. And so yeah, thank you so much.
You're welcome. I'm glad I could help. Let me know if you have any other questions.
So tool number 5 and the last tool is ClickUp AI, and this one is different from everything else we have talked about till now because it's not a separate AI tool, it's AI built directly into where you actually work. Now here is where things get really interesting. ClickUp AI, also called ClickUp Brain, connects your projects, documents, people and company knowledge all in one place. It's not just another chatbot. It's like having an AI assistant that actually knows your business, your projects and your team. Think about it. Instead of switching between 10 different apps and AI tools, what if everything could happen right where you are already working? And that's the power of ClickUp AI. Let's see why ClickUp AI is just mind-blowing. Number one is it is context-aware. Unlike ChatGPT and Claude, ClickUp AI knows your actual work context, your projects, deadlines, team members, and company data. In fact, you have these models inside of ClickUp AI. The second one is no app switching is required here. Everything happens inside your existing workspace. No copying and pasting between the tools is required. Third one is work-specific intelligence. It is trained specifically for work-related scenarios, not general conversations. So from project planning to meeting notes to status reports, it covers your entire work cycle. So let me show you what this looks like in real action. Let's go to the screen.
Okay, so let's see through ClickUp AI how fast we can do the things. Let's say that we are a digital marketing agency. We run digital marketing campaigns for our client. Acquired is one of our clients, okay, and they have just 15 minutes back, they have given us one of the products for which we have to run the ad campaigns. We don't have much time. Let's see how through ClickUp AI we can do the things really, really fast. Let's go inside this. The only thing that the client has given us is the product. Okay, so let's try to see what all we can do. Let's try to create a description, create a proper description for running an ad campaign. Or this is where it is. So this is a description we want to get, in the product that is given by the client is this one. Snap Sleep, a smart variable that tracks and improves your sleep quality using AI. So this is one liner, this is the two liner they have given, nothing else. Let's create a description from this. So it has given simply this one. So let's try to do one thing, create a whole marketing strategy for this product. I think this is good. Marketing strategy, target audience, positioning and messaging, branding, and creatives, channels, tactics, content marketing, public relations. So this is all we have got. Okay, and I think that this is good enough for us. This is a description we have got. Now let's try to get the subtask for this particular project. Okay, so that the people at least know what needs to be done. I've given the product description, right? So now it has to create few of the subtasks. This is what it has done. And let's say if we don't like 3 or 4 things here, so let's remove 1 or 2 things. Okay, this one is good enough. I'm randomly removing it here. Okay, so let's say these are the 9 subtasks which would be there. So we now have the description for this. We now have the subtask for this. Obviously, we can edit whatever we want, but at least now we have something and we can work on top of this. Now, here is how it gets more interesting. Let's see what all AI can do. Let's say like what all it can do. So it can create let's try to generate one image. Okay, so generate image of, let's say, snap sleep, a smart part of deep sleep. So I've just given generate an image for that so that we can put it here. Let's say let's see what it generates. Okay, so it has created an image. If you can just see here, how good it looks, right? It looks really classic, right? So maybe we can use this, right? Okay, so let's try to use this. I think this image looks good, and in a way, it helps us understand what needs to be done. Let's do something else. So let's search the web and let's try to get, please provide. What we're trying to get is we're trying to get few of the ad campaigns that were related to a few of the popular campaigns that were related to a product like this, right? So in a way, it will provide the team a reference what needs to be done. Please provide for the popular ad campaigns that were run for a product. Please provide examples not more than 4 years old. It is browsing the web, and then it will provide the result. Here are some of the popular ad campaigns from the let's say last 4 years for AI powered sleep variables. And so they see Samsung sleep better with Galaxy AI, ResMed, VIV Health experience the future of sleep with VIV Ring. Because in a way you have got here itself all the reference campaigns, and in a way it will help the team understand what was done previously by other companies. What I've done is I've simply copied these and put it here so that if anybody wants to see the ad campaigns, the reference campaigns, they can simply come and see here. Let's see what else we can do. So here we can see the models, right? So these are the models that we can use to generate the results, right? But the only thing is that GPT-4 is deeply integrated in ClickUp, and GPT-4 models are deeply integrated. But we can simply, because Claude has a better reasoning model, we want to improve something, right? Please provide target audience for a product. Like, we're not giving proper prompts here. Let's see what kind of result it gives for a product like. It has given this kind of and I think it's really good. If you see that kind of things here, you're not able to understand anything, but this one is really important. What we will do is simply copy it and we can simply change it here. If you want to simply improve something, we can simply say, let's say, I think this one looks better, right? So obviously we can do a lot of things through AI here, and it is not taking much time on while doing anything, right? So this is really good. We can change the models also. So in a way, we have generated a lot of things all, and I've not stepped outside ClickUp. This is really, really cool. So let's say we want to go to, we have gone into, so this is something which is there. So we also have few of the custom fields here. As you see, summary, and it can generate the whole summary. So if somebody doesn't have time to see everything what has been done, so you can simply see the summary here of what has been done on the product. on this particular project. I think this needed to be done before we started, but yeah, anyways, the project risk assessments according to the data we have. If there is anything that needs to be done and any kind of risk is there, we can obviously generate this. Let's see what it is showing. We have not done anything. It's the inbuilt functions that is there. For few things we have done, let's say for SEO project, we just wanted to see whether it's SEO project or not. You can see I've given like check if the task name is the word SEO. If it is there, then it is SEO project. It has done the risk assessment, demonstrated due data, and there are many deliverables, right? Only is assigned if more resources are needed, if actually is unavailable. Okay, so the ad campaign targets several segments of professional messaging may become diluted. So in a way, it has done the complete assessment of the risk. You can go through it and improve the things there, right? And this is sentimental. So given information about us, your role is to analyze the sentiment expressed in the task content and comments left by the users, and to choose the most appropriate custom feed options. So this all is being done by AI itself. These all AI things also show up on your automations. If you see here, SEO project, as soon as task is created, it will obviously run. You can rerun it obviously. All the custom fields which are AI generated, they automatically create the automations here. For example, sentiment. This is like an AI action within an automation. There are a lot of things that you can do through AI. I've just shown you within 5 or 6 minutes. We have generated the whole description, image, reference campaigns. We have searched the web. We have searched for different models. We have refined the things. We have created the sub. Basically, we can assign it through here itself, everything. We have got the AI custom fields, which are automatically generating everything. So in a way, we can do a lot of things, and we have just scratched the surface. There are a lot of other things that can be done from here. You can do the things much faster through the AI features here, and you can achieve within like 30 or 40 minutes what you were doing for a day, right? Within this work management tool. And the most important thing is I've not stepped outside the work management tool for a single time. Everything I have done within the work management tool within ClickUp. For example, this is the Google, right? You can search your files related to work management. If you have visited somewhere, for example, if you see these all files, let's say meeting notes or client documents are here, right? If you click here, you will go to the client documents and you can search here itself. So this also gives an edge because you don't have to go to other tools. You can search the things here itself. Okay.
And there you have it, all 5 AI tools that can completely transform how you actually work. Let's quickly recap what we have covered across both these parts. So the part 1 contained Cloud, your strategic business consultant that can solve and analyze almost anything. And it was Gamma AI. You can go from blank slide to stunning presentation in almost 5 minutes. And the part 2 contained Fathom AI, the meeting assistant that actually gave me my life back. Then it was Google AI Studio. You can actually video call with AI and get the solution for literally anything. Then it was ClickUp AI, the AI that actually knows your business inside and out. If this 2-part series helped you discover new ways to work smarter and you have found some value in this, then smash that subscribe button. See, if you're comfortable staying stuck in day-to-day grind of your business, dealing with chaos, missed deadlines, and working with 60+ hours a week, then stick with whatever you are doing. But if you're a serious business owner who wants to scale beyond yourself, you need systems that work without you. And here's exactly how we can help you in this. Firstly, we sit down and really understand how your work actually flows through your business. Then we help to optimize your daily work through tools. Our favorites are ClickUp, a work management tool, and N8. It helps in both AI-powered automation and regular workflow automation as well. Also, we have the understanding of the popular AI tools in the market. We can also help to implement the system so that you become process-driven and not people-dependent. So what is the result? The result is you go from firefighting every day to actually running your business strategically. And in the long run, it helps to reduce your cost, save tons of time, and helps you to scale fast. If this is something that appeals to you, then check out the link in the description and set up the call with us. We would be happy to help you. And if you have learned something from this video and found some value in this, then subscribe for more insights. And until then, stay productive.